This is an example workflow of using the entire Coalesce platform on a data team. Now, as an analyst, I am curious what data I should be using for my analysis. So I'm going to come into Slack where I already work and say, what tables should I use for my taxi ride analysis? Now, Coalesce is going across my entire data estate and telling me what assets exist, what dashboards, what tables, what views, and then what's been certified, what's popular, what's actually used by people in the business. When it comes back with a response, it'll tell me here are a list of the tables. As we can see, here's my nice reply. It says, hey, this is the core fact table that I should be using. I want more information about that. So I'm going to click in here and it's going to bring me to the Coalesce Catalog UI. Here I can see descriptions about all of my columns along with additional metadata, information about ownership, popularity, classic things like a README on this thing. But what catches my attention here is there are data quality issues detected. Now, this is informative for me as a consumer, but I want my potential data owner to go investigate this. So I'm going to pop into Coalesce Quality and I'm going to see where I can figure that out. Now, if I pop into this data product view, looking at my core analytics nodes, I can see that that fact table is part of this data product. We can see the overall quality score isn't that great, and there are issues going on here. So we saw from a consumption angle, there are issues. I want to review that. I'll come in here and I can see one of these issues. For example, this curb mobility is missing data from a particular vendor in a particular time frame. Here's an example of what that looks like. I can see that dip. I need to go ultimately fix this thing. So what I'll do is I'm going to just copy and paste this whole issue that it automatically found for me, it automatically reviewed, pop into Coalesce Transform where this pipeline is built and say, help me fix this issue. And it's going to go and look at my pipeline and figure out where can I actually make this fix. Now, this is just a quick example using the entire flow, end-to-end, catalog, quality, back to Transform where things are actually built. And it identified the fix. We can ship it. We can check it into Git, deploy it to our environments, and we're good to go. Thanks.